With back to school coming, ADC offers a full line of equipment that can be used for all different types of programs. Some of what we have to offer are blood pressure kits, which are sold worldwide, which come with a proprietary sizing guide that is very helpful in the student world to teach you how to take blood pressure properly. This model comes with the matching case, which is a very, very nice case, which can be used for other items as well. We do have our new line of eyewear, protective eyewear, and this is launching on May 1st, so it will be available for back to school. And we have 3 different versions. This version is black with a little bit of royal blue on it, which matches very nicely and is very, very important to always protect your eyes. They do have UV protection and extended sides so that you can make sure nothing is getting into your eye area. We also have our stethoscope carrying case, which we call our medic case. Very stylish. It's available in 2 different sizes. You can see this has many pockets to fit all of the equipment that you need. We have our MediCut shears available in many prints and solid colors. We offer a full line of neurological hammers, a Taylor hammer. We have many options of pen lights, with or without pupil gauges, disposable pen lights, reusable pen lights, whatever you prefer. A Tromner hammer. Again, we do have many different types of neurological hammers. And you flip again and you have more space to store. We have our tuning fork and our stethoscope, which this is our 603 scope, available in many colors, many prints, lifetime warranty from the top to the bottom.